In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add video on Wix website. To get started, open the Wix editor for the website where you want to place your video. This is where you will make all of your design and content changes. Once you are inside the editor, look over to the left-hand menu and click Add Elements, which is marked with a plus icon. This section contains the different items you can place on your page, including text, images, shapes, and of course, video options. From the Add Elements panel, choose Video and Music. This is the category that gives you access to media tools for your site. Inside that section, click Single Video Players. Here, Wix gives you a few ways to display a video depending on where your content is hosted. You can choose a player for platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, or you can choose the option to upload a video file directly. After selecting the type of video player you want, drag it from the panel and drop it onto your page layout. Place it in the section where you want visitors to watch the video. Take a moment to position it carefully so it fits well with the rest of your design. Keeping the layout clean and balanced will help your page look more professional and make the video easier to notice. Next, click on the video player you just added. You will see an option called Change Video. Select that to connect your actual video content. If your video is already hosted online, paste in the public video URL. Make sure it is a public link so the player can display it correctly on your live website. If you want to use a file from your own computer instead, click Change Video again and upload the video directly from your device. Once the video has been added, it is a good idea to preview how it looks on the page. Check that the player is in the right spot and that the correct video loads as expected. This helps you catch any placement or link issues before your visitors see the page. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner of the Wix editor and click Publish. This makes your changes live so your video appears on your website for everyone to view. That covers everything you need to know.